Hey everybody, Tom Townsend with Townsend Realty Group and Keller Williams coming to you. Hey, this video is for anybody out there that is looking to buy a home or sell a home in Cherokee County, Canton, Georgia, Woodstock, Georgia area. And I want to talk to you, one of the questions that we get quite often, either on the buy side or the sell side, is the due diligence period. First of all, what is due diligence? What is it? And what does it mean from a buyer standpoint and a seller standpoint? So let me kind of tell you what the due diligence period is and when we enact the due diligence period. If you are a buyer and you put an offer in on a particular home, it is typical to ask for a due diligence period when you first put that offer in. That due diligence period starts, first of all, on the day that everybody agrees to the offer itself, and it goes binding, and it ends on a particular date. That date is negotiated between yourself and the seller. Typically, it's anywhere from 10 to 14 days. And what that period of time does for you is that you are able to change your mind on the purchase of this home for any reason or no reason whatsoever during that due diligence period. It's somewhat unique to the state of Georgia. Not every state has a due diligence period that is so, well, to be honest with you, it really benefits the buyer. So buyer-sided in the terminology itself. I mean, you can terminate for any reason and get your earnest money back. And once again, that's kind of unique to Georgia. So typically what we do during that due diligence period is this is the period of time that you're going to get your home inspection done. You're going to check out the neighborhood, make sure that it fits all of your needs. You're going to be able to check out the schools, do all your research about the area and the home itself. Don't limit yourself to just the property. Expand that out, make sure it's the right area, the school system that you want to be in, that the house doesn't back up to a gas station or something crazy like that. That's what that due diligence period is meant for. So that defines the due diligence. Is it negotiable? Absolutely it is. Typically in the market that we're right now, where we have very little inventory and buyers are competing, sometimes we recommend that they waive their right to the due diligence period and substitute the right to inspect. That narrows that scope of your research down to just inspecting the property itself with typically a home inspection, and making sure that we don't have any major value contributing issues with the home itself. That really narrows the risk down for the sellers, because they know they've got a buyer that's not going to cancel because they changed their mind. It's going to be narrowed down to just the property condition and what comes in that inspection only. That's going to put you as a buyer in a better position if you waive your due diligence period. Once again, consult with your agent to make sure that that is the appropriate negotiating point before you actually do so, and that you are crystal clear on the right that you're actually giving up. Hopefully that was helpful and answered some questions about due diligence and what that actually means. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we got some great information on there. Hope everybody's having a great day, and reach out to me if you've got any other questions. Thanks.